Assets are designed for specific process conditions, but in reality, things change. Feedstocks change, operation parameters change, and when that happens, that original design often is no longer fit for purpose to ensure that that asset survives for its full design life. In these instances, a technology like high-velocity thermal spray, where we can upgrade the internal metallurgy, can change the process condition of that asset, can install a barrier system which is going to prevent any further internal degradation, therefore extending the operational life of that piece of equipment. Installing an alloy that is now suitable for the new process environment, whether that's a different feedstock or, for example, a change in the operating conditions. As your assets age through operational use, you have a choice as to what you can do to extend the life. You can look at replacement of the asset, or you can look at upgrading or refurbishing the existing asset to improve its internal protection and extend that operating life. High-velocity thermal spray provides a fast and efficient on-site application of an internal alloy upgrade so that that asset can now perform in its operating environment and have a new design life with its new internal alloy barrier system.